How to fix Warframe crashing on Steam. First, go to the library, right-click on the game, open up the Properties window, and then under General tab, you want to add the following command, -dx11. Go to Installed Files and then click on this button to verify the game files. And wait for this process as it might take a while. Now, once this is done, you can close this and close Steam. And then you want to open up your GPU application and then go to the drivers section. So for NVIDIA, you will need to install NVIDIA app and then go to the drivers and make sure to download the latest game ready driver and install it. You can also try to reinstall it manually if you have the latest version installed already. Next, you will need to open up your browser and then search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to the second table and download and install 86 version and 64 version, both of them. Sometimes you might find that it is already installed. You will just need to click on the repair button right here to repair it. And once you're done, you will need to restart your system. Click on the power button and then restart. Now, once your system is restarted, just open up Steam as admin. Right-click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game, and that should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.